Make I go pharmacy, but
J'ai Bridget.
Ah, my brother.
You happen now? What's your face like this
My
now?
brother, could they cash me?
Which people they cash now? But you
For the
also.
past week, so I didn't see.
Hey, you know where?
I told
You know, I
you.
don't know. Why you not tell me now?
Brother, you know say I know they come and say no nice.
Told you. You don't go hospital.
I don't go.
What
They tell me to make I go find one medicine, right? This is not life pills.
Okay,
but
life
I don't
pills.
go find her. I don't see her. I don't walk past plenty supermarkets. I don't see her.
You don't go Jove Medicine Supermarket Limited.
Which one be that one again?
Hey, they form out for this street.
Now you the waka now, not the
So
waka.
come meet me, I'll show you.
Oh, yeah,
See, Jove Medicine Supermarket Limited. Nothing with all the step for no drugs for this and all the step for door. I tell you, that medicine we just can take raise Nazareth from death. Now they just can stay by him. I tell you.
Jesus can raise Nazareth from death medicine.
I tell you, now that's it.
You know say I know they read Bible. I don't know.
You see your life, and your man still shock you again.
Shock me.
You know say just like feed 500 people with bread.
Yes, now.
I'll take by the bread.
You don't mean it.
I tell you.
You
know how finish you.
Nah.
You hear for Bible say just like stone water wine. I get the wine. If you want drink that wine, you go there. You see any kind of the wine with the wine. I tell you.
Where will they go?
See am.
Where will they go?
Hey.
Maybe the place.
The place. Nah, Oga Garo for Amukpe na again now. Back of Abis.
Hey, who they go the place?
Don't worry. Now me carry you go the place.
You no go follow me go before.
I go fit follow you go down the problem, but you go find me something. Like 500.
Now so something you dey find for your life. Come on, they go.
You just go that way.
If you are looking for the best place to do your shopping, then you have to visit Jove Medicine and Supermarket Limited. Whenever you want to go out shopping for your family and kids, visit Jove Medicine and Supermarket for the quality that you deserve. Jove Medicine and Supermarket have all the type of provision you may be looking for. Whatsoever provision you want to buy, you will find them all in Jove Medicine and Supermarket Limited. Jove Medicine and Supermarket Limited also deals on wine and all kinds of drinks. Whenever you have a marriage ceremony or a birthday party, you will find the perfect drinks that you will want for your birthday or marriage ceremony. Jove Medicine and Supermarket is the best and reliable place to buy whatsoever you need. Jove Medicine and Supermarket Limited also deals on drugs. They sell all kinds of drugs. Whatsoever ailment that you may have or whatsoever sickness you may have, you will find the perfect drugs to your sickness right here in Jove Medicine and Supermarket Limited with a very qualified nurse who will attend to you. Jove Medicine and Supermarket Limited is located at number 36 Okaga Road off Sapele Warri Road, Amukpe Sapele. Call us on 070 30 40 80 79 or 081 36 52 22 53. Thanks for shopping with Jove Medicine and Supermarket.